My project is titled Mind the Angle. So it's about challenging how we view garments in a single perspective. Hi, I'm Vanchika from the graduating batch of Fashion Design 2025. So my project is titled Mind the Angle. So it's about challenging how we view garments in a single perspective. And I've taken cubism representatives like displacement and distortion for that. I've taken a basic shirt and reimagined it using displacement, optical illusion. I've taken just basic stripes and I've broken that rigidity of stripes through creating fluidity, and I've also used Usha Doshi technique for that, using just simple slicing, cutting, layering, just basic techniques to add that depth to the garment. So I've taken inspiration from an artist, Patrick Agbachator. He's a Cubist-inspired artist, and I was very mesmerized by seeing his work. He has just taken, simple architecture forms like walls, stairs, basic rigid things, and he has broken those rules by simply just molding, bending or slicing. So I've taken inspiration from that. And my process started with researching on utility elements like pockets, plackets, collars, just basic things. And I then, to break the rules, we have to know the rules. So my basic motive was to completely know how a garment is constructed and then breaking them one by one. So then I studied everything, like how the collar is constructed, how the placket is constructed, how the pocket is constructed. It's beautiful and chaotic. It was hectic, but I learned so much here. I discovered myself. These 4 years were the most unpredictable, the most wholesome 4 months of my life. And yeah, they were great. We have gotten so much exposure in that. And yes, I think they have prepared us well enough to go in the industry.